Alright, hey guys, it's Peter here with Vermicelli Paintball, and we're gonna do another video here on the Proflexes. I'm just gonna show you guys how to take them apart and how to swap lenses. Alright, so first thing you need to do is you need to pull apart the frames, and that's all you need is the frames down. Alright, now sometimes you can get this little JT logo up here to flip up and over so you can pull these out, but I usually can't get it. So I usually end up having to go to this using the screwdriver and the bag. Just put it over, and then you want to put it up in between the rubber and the lens. Just be very careful not to scratch your lens. Ow, hurt. Oh well. Just be very careful. There we go. Oh. Alright, there we go. Alright, now that I got the little tab here, so all I have to do is roll that up and over. And it's pretty much downhill from there. Just pull off all of these tabs. Now I'm not going to go all the way around just because these are kind of a pain in the butt at the bottom to get pushed back in. But as you can see, they just come straight out. And there you can see the lens, and you can see the thermal inside on there. And then you just put them back in, like this, making sure that you get all the corners inside the frame here. You just want to pull these back up and over, and flip your mask upside down. And there you go. And now you shouldn't really need to replace your soft ears very often. How you do that is just pull this out, and as you can see, there's the other end, and from the inside there's a screw. You just unscrew that, and then screw the new ones in pretty much. Same way how to place the strap, and there you go. Then you guys know, just line up the holes and place the flex bottoms right back onto it, and your mask is good to go. Thanks guys, rate, subscribe, whatever, you know, normal stuff, and have a great day.